G'day viewers, well, let's smoke up this IEC cord. Screwed some screws in there, perfect. I'm going to short all those three together and all those three together. Yeah, easy, that bends. Oh, that bends so easy. I wonder if that's where the point of failure is. Wouldn't surprise me if it broke in there. Anyway, let's get this thing smoking. I get this connected up, I'm ready to go. Okay. Getting a bit soft and squishy there, I see. Oh, that's soft and squishy. Have a look here. Might get much of a connection in there now. Yeah, heating up now. Oh yeah. Bit soft and squishy. I reckon there's more, because of the resistance of that cord's a bit funny. I'm going to tear this thing down, I think. That's kind of a funny resistance in there. I don't reckon there's copper in there. I've got a feeling there's no copper in that. It could be just aluminium, look like copper. Okay viewers, well, this is why you don't trust IEC cords. I'm trying to, like a jelly bean material there. Look how thin those wires are. It's crazy. You can see where it burnt out internally. And the colours is black, black and red. That's a bit stupid. That's a bit of a violation in itself there. You got a red for the active, black for the earth and black for the neutral. That's just retarded, come on. You might as well just use just bare wire with no insulation. Unless you had a product's deemed unsafe anyway. I was able to snap these off very easily too, these pins. Silly conformance. Yeah, conforms to what? Bloody hell. That don't conform to nothing. Pesky wires burnt out right there. The cord did burn out, it did burn open circuit. You can see where it burnt out there. I reckon that's aluminium, that can't be copper. It's copper. Burnt out there, it is copper. Wow, look at this. I'll peel more of this off. Man, these manufacturers got to go back to kindergarten. That's crazy. There is no colour coding in this whatsoever. Oh, it smells. It's like a resistance wire pretty much. Crazy. Let's get the multimeter out, check what the red is. I wouldn't be surprised if that red wire is actually an earth wire. That is just plain retarded, that is not code of anything. Illegal, very illegal to have that sort of wiring standard. That is just retarded. A lot of this viewers, I guess what? Red is earth. Come on, you never ever go full retard when it comes to things like this. And they've done just that. Okay, got that on there. My earth pin. Sure enough, earth's red. That is just full-blown retarded. This violates the European and the American standards, not just the Australian ones. It even violates their own standards. I don't know. This manufacturer really needs to go back to kindergarten. Shouldn't even be making electronics. I should be making sick jokes or something that doesn't make any sense. Yeah, they're burnt out. That's the earth and the earth and the neutral are the black. The red one's active. I mean the earth. That's just full retard. And they've done just that, gone full retard. Wow. That is epic. On so many levels. 10 amp, 250 volt. Maybe 10 milliamp, that's about all that's rated for. I can count the strands almost with one hand in there. Roughly 20 strands of copper in there. That is just absolute utter pants. Absolute underpants and toilet paper. That's beyond sewage. That's bloody Malcolm Turnbull and Bill Shorten right there. Utter pants. Anyway viewers, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.